This is a tutorial on reviewing and approving work orders. The first part of this video will cover reviewing work orders, which starts by navigating to the work orders page. Here you can see all of the work orders as discussed in the tutorial on navigating the work orders page. We can see that currently there is one work order awaiting approval, while the other work orders seen have been accepted. To review a work order, click into it. In our example, this is a repair as opposed to something else, such as preventative maintenance. You will first be able to see the location, contractor, schedule date, and more of the work order. Below, you can also see the ticket ID number and the title of the ticket. The equipment associated with this work order is also listed, which is RTU2 in this case. Since there was a condenser fan motor issue, the completion notes explain that the fan was replaced. Further details such as the belt size and air filter quantity are displayed here as well. Other options are displayed on the right of the screen, including work order notes, which detail any important things about the work order, the timeline of the work order, which includes status and other changes, and other recent work orders that have occurred in the same building. At the top is a summary given by MonAI, which is particularly useful for summarizing all of the key points that were just listed, including customer and contractor summaries and things to check for in the future. Now, if you exit back to the work orders homepage, we can begin the second part of this tutorial, which includes accepting and declining work orders. Since there is only one work order awaiting customer approval, we will use this as an example. After clicking into the work order, the MonAI summary should be reviewed. Customer and contractor summaries are available for the two different parties. Based on the notes made in the work order, it seems as if the gateway is disconnected. Note, usually a gateway disconnection would not be listed with RTU2 as the equipment. But for this tutorial, using an RTU as the example was the best option, as they typically have the most work orders. If a technician needs to be set, click the Approve button. Here we can first set a due date, which is the latest tided. This issue should be rectified. Now the preferred contractor should be chosen based on your options. Finally, any comments or notes that would be useful should be added in the notes box. For example, if the restaurant is open on weekdays from 9 to 5, add this in the box. Once done with these steps, click Approve. The other scenario is if a technician is not needed. In this case, the Decline button should be selected. You will be prompted to add a note on why this work order should be declined, or in other words, why a technician is not needed. For example, if you know something was unplugged or bumped, that could be added in this box. Click Decline when you finish your note. You can now review, approve, and decline your own work orders.